Previously on Cuphead and randomness, Telltale. Now happening with the previous story. Wait, what? Wait, okay, I thought the song was gonna end. But is that like a previous song or what? Shut up, I'm doing this. Okay. Well, since Cuphead is gone, we went to go find his brother. What are you doing out here?
I'm a little cucumber.
What?
A cucumber.
A what? Okay, what is your real name? Okay, what is your real name?
Pickle.
No, like, you look like...
I'm not kidding, my name's Pickle.
No. Are you Pickle Rick? I'm Pickle Rick.
My name is Pickle.
Pickle Rick?
No. Pickle.
Rick?
Pickle.
Rick?
Tomatoes.
Rick? Wait, tomato Rick? Okay, tell me, who are you for real?
I'm John Cena.
No, okay. No, stop it. Stop it.
Okay, fine. My name is Meme Bot.
Meme Bot. Well, nice to meet you.
Because I'm a meme.
Well, why don't you have like a meme face? Like a Lenny face or whatever?
Well, because I was born this way.
Nunny? Did you almost say Nunny? Did you almost say Nunny?
No.
Okay.
And don't you mention about Mark's loving Kirby, or I will destroy you.
You know, dude, I'm a detective. So last time Cuphead was here, but then he made fun of me.
I knew it had something to do with King Dora. Okay, enough with the flower bag. What do you want to do?
I'm just saying, Cuphead was
Flushes an eye.
I'm blind! Dude, stop it! The reason why it's one time because I need your help with something. We need to go save Cuphead. He was kidnapped too.
I don't care about Cuphead.
I gotta run away. Of course. Just gotta. You don't see me alive. Oh God, yes you will. Nutty. What? Ha
Darn it! No! What is up with these stories, man?
You're failing too much.
No!
What? In your face, boy!
No, man!
In your face. I'm just gonna go on and look for Cuphead.
I'm gonna go eat your face.
You're just stuck. Wait, what?
No, I'm not.
Wait, where'd you go?
No, I'm not.
Yeah, no, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
Where did you go?
No, you're not.
Where did you go?
Cucumber.
No, like, seriously, where did you really go?
I want the full gesture tail. It's so cute. Look at his face. to cheat. Ted.
What are you in? Are you in Cuphead's room?
No. I'm not in Cuphead's room. Don't go in there. Don't.
Okay, you're not behind the closet.
Hello, I'm Sandra, the musical
No.
robot.
You mean the what?
What the heck? They didn't add Ted's face yet? They said they're gonna add an update. Okay, whatever. Hi.
Hi, my name is Detective Telltale. What's your name?
My name's Jeff.
Oh, hi, Jeff. What? Okay, what is going on in this world?
Come read my Kirby fan fiction.
Oh my gosh, you're so weird. Bye, Dingus.
You're so weird. Oh well, look at this pie. Can I fit?
That is not a pie.
Like
That is not a pie.
Oh my god.
That's not pie, Dingus. What are you doing? Oh my goodness, you just go through a wall. Why did you go through a wall? What are you doing? No! Get away from me! Yes! Oh no. Aha, your name should go like day.
I am Memebot, the lord of the memes.
Haha, I'm saved. I'm saved. No, I'm not.
Oh god, okay, I think I'm gonna be stuck. Yeah, I am stuck. I can't get my head out of here.
No!
No!
Yes! No, I just got down! No!
Donut shall attack you! Donut shall attack you! Donut shall attack you! Donut shall attack you! Hey, who's on the phone? Oh, it's Mama. Hi, Mama. Oh, wanna kill me? No. No. My name's Jeffrey.
What is going on in this world?
Super Mario.
Wait, where's Cuphead?
Kirby's better. Kirby's better.
Which side Cuphead came? Wait, what's Cuphead?
I'm gonna give you the creeps McGeeks.
It's poop.
It's funny because you said that so calmly. The real gift egg.
Where are you?
You never know. Give me a hint where you are.
In your face. Oh! No, get away from me! Who are you?
My name's
Pickle Rick. Yeah. No! Get away from me! Ah! Oh God, no!
This is the most. Hey Manny, this is the most normal thing we've ever done. Hilarious! Oh my god!
Haha, you'll never go.
My ears are like stuck outside and seated.
Oh my God!
Oh my god!
Ah, loser! You're gonna be stuck in there forever. Oh no! No.
Got a phone call.
No, you're gonna try to trick me.
No,
Leave me alone.
You got a phone call.
Leave me alone.
You have a call. Wait, you have a call. What am I doing? Come in here, and you have a phone call.
Oh, really? Is it from Cuphead?
I don't know. It says Cuphead.
Cuphead, so that must be him. Answers phone. Hello?
Hello. Have you been the one who ordered 50 Doritos pizza boxes with the special drink winners?
What? Cuphead, is that you?
When you said TDM, how can I be
Cuphead, is that you?
That's not my name.
Okay, let's order the lazy pizza guy.
Hi, my name's Mark. What do you want?
Dink it. Okay, let's see what where's the lazy pizza guy is.
I think he's calling you.
Okay, hello?
I will come to your house. Now eat you alive like I did to the lazy pizza guy.
Okay, bye! Wait, that was awkward. Oh, it's Cuphead. Hello?
Hi, my name's Cuphead. I had nothing to do with this. Goodbye.
That was strange.
You're strange. Spook. What was that?
Hello? Unclose the door. Ah! Dude, you scared?
Hello, my name is Sam. How can I be of your assistance?
Dude, get away! Can you get away, please? Just get out of here.
No.
Kid Dice will do something to you. No!
No. I did not.
Oh, no, that's it. Oh my goodness!
What the heck is going on?
Get away, you jerk!
This doesn't have anything to do with Cuphead. I just realized that. This has nothing to do with Cuphead.
No, I can't find your escape.
Yes.
Cuphead! Oh man, where is he? Woo! Cuphead should be home. I'm gonna try to get a snack. Ow! Wow! Well, wait, you're that Tattletale, the one that was from Rudolph and the Tattletale. Did you run away from home? Did you run away from home?
Give me your donuts.
You're creepy. Just get out of my house. Just get out. You're creepy. No! Wait. Dude, where are you going? I'm not your dad. Hello? Hello, this is Malcolm. What is it? Cuphead has been captured. Say hi, Cuphead.
I need help. Please help me. I'm in pain.
Yes, yeah, we're still in pain too, but we're still okay, but we're still in pain. How long have you been in King Dice's kingdom? Oh god, I gotta help these two. Come on, Tower Rye. We gotta say Tower Rye. Oh, jeez, the air crack. Tower Rye, stop playing with me.